除了上述常态化工作，本次飞行任务将首次进行空间。
This flight mission will conduct the first extravehicular experimental maintenance of space station.
当前
Currently, space debris is increasing. Impacts of small space objects on long-duration operational spacecraft are inevitable. Pre-inspection revealed that the space station's solar panel had also been hit several times by tiny objects in space, causing minor damage.
目前空间站各项功能性能指标均满足要求。
Indicators of the space station meet the requirements, but from the perspective of long-term operation of the space station and verification of its technical capabilities, ژو-17 crew will conduct the extravehicular experimental maintenance by EVA. It is a very challenging job. Let's look forward to ژو-17 crew's successful completion of the mission, bringing the capability and capacity of the extravehicular activities to the next level.